Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to solving this pattern 4 question. Let's see what is the pattern is. Here you can see this is the pattern and we are going to solve this question. If you see my previous video, in my previous video I am solving similar type of questions. If you see my previous video, then it is very easy for you to solve these questions because here we have to change little bit and we get the output very easily. So let's see what we are trying to say. So let's see what I am trying to say. Now go to the screen. Now go back and cut this. Go to the current page and check it now. Check it now. So put it here. So see the pattern very carefully. In this pattern, see in the first line there are 0 spaces and 5 stars. In the second line there is 1 space and 4 star. And in the third line there is 2 spaces and 3 star. In the fourth line there is 3 spaces and 2 star. And in the last line there is 4 spaces and 1 star. So have you seen one thing, that here the space is starting from 0. That means we are going to give the space value at the start 0. And in the next line, here you can see in the first line, in the first line, the stars are going to print from 5. That means that is the value of n. The value of n is here 5. That means that's why the star is going to start from 5. So solve these questions. We need to start from 0 for spaces and 5 for stars. So let's see how we are able to solve it. Now take input int n is equal to scn dot next int scn dot next int. Now see in this question one more thing you need to know, that is all of you know that what does the for loop do. Means this for loop, I starts from 1, I less than equal to n and I plus plus. This for loop runs from 1 to n. If the value of n is 5, then the for loop is going to run from 1 to n. So let's go to the desktop again and check here. So create the loop for int I is equal to 1, I less than equal to n, then I plus plus. Sorry, I think I put the second bracket in the wrong position. So and for go to the next line, here is the next line. For go to the one line to next line, we use system.out.println. So system.out.println. Okay. Now see, the space is starting from 0 and the star is starting from 5. So let's do it here. That space is starting from 0 and the star is starting from 5. Now see, if I print out the value of spaces and star, then what will be the answer? See here. First the star value was 5 and in the next line the star value becomes 4 and the next line it becomes 3, then 2, then 1. That means the star value are decreasing here. And when we start here, see there are no spaces. That means spaces started from 0. Now see there are 1 spaces, then 2 spaces, then 3 spaces, then 4 spaces. That means space value are increasing. So let's do it here. That star value is decreasing and space value is increasing. Now check all the spaces and the stars, that if it is printing right or wrong. So system.out.println, not println, print, and the value is, and the space value and the star value. The star value is st. So now check it out. What is the output here? So hit on the run button and see. Okay, I think I do here something mistake. I did here some mistake. So let's see what is the mistake is. So expected bracket, and I think I did not give any bracket here. For int I is equal to 1, okay, I put here a 0. Okay, now run it again. So give the input 5 and run it again. Here you can see in the output we are getting 0 spaces. See. First we are printing space, then we are printing star. So first line there is 0 space and 5 star. So 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star. In the next line there is 1 space and 4 star. 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star. In the next line there is 2 spaces and 3 star. 1 star, 2 star, 3 star. And the next line there is 3 spaces and 2 star. If you scroll down here, okay, I cannot scroll down. See, if you scroll down here you can see there is 4 spaces and 1 star. So this is the pattern. Here you can see this pattern and this pattern look like similar, but in the console now we are printing the values. And one more thing, if you can control the value, then you can print the stars very easily. There is no issue that you cannot print the star or anything. If you want to print anything that looks like this way, you can print it. So see how we will going to do that. If you have control on the spaces and the stars, then it is so much easy to print it here. So see, so remove that part. We don't need that. We have to print the stars and the spaces. So for that we are going to use a for loop. Int I is equal to 1, I less than equal to and spaces and I plus plus. Now print the spaces. For printing the spaces, what we will do? System dot out dot print and give a tab here. Now next we are going to printing all the stars values. Int, no, if I take here I, you can take here I or j, whatever you want. Okay, so I am going to take here j because already I have taken the I as an input. So change it from here. Okay, and one more thing, no, let's say j is equal to 1, j less than equal to that is star, and j plus plus. Now see, now system dot out dot print value of star and tab. Now run it and check what we are getting in the output. So print it from there and run it again. Here you can see it is now accepted. Now hit the submit button. Okay, 5, 6 test in that message 5 to 6 test cases failed. Okay, 5 test cases failed. Okay, I did here it wrong. Here you can see I put here that st is equal to 5. No, st will be the n value. Okay, that's why it's giving you the wrong answer. Here you can see this is the correct answer. Hope all of you enjoy this video and learn from this video and how to solve this kind of problem very easily. So bye bye. I will see you in the next video.